Hello! So I finally got time to show you how I wired the lights up. So I basically have these headlights that have a position light, the same like your light, which has a A that stands for a position light. So I wired these together onto a daytime running light relay, which is down here. So as soon as I start the engine, they run. But they also stay on if I put the standard position light of the car, which is over a switch, they stay on. And the thing I did is just modified your loom that came with a 5-pin that interchanged between position light and main beam. I changed that to a 4-pin, so it basically just goes with my main beam, which I took the feed with one of your connectors that attaches to the back of the headlight. That basically turns the basically switches the main beam. And the thing, I'll turn off the car so we can actually hear each other. So the thing I didn't like about the wiring you sent me, the original one, is it was a 5-pin relay, which basically switched from position light to main beam via a switch. But it was connected directly to or at least it came with direct batteries connectors. So you would literally have all the time either the full beam or the position light on, which is not useful because when you park the car overnight, you don't want any light to be on, do you? So that's why I didn't really understand the wiring you sent with the 5-pin, because you need a way to have it off. So the easiest way is just to send a 4-pin relay for these and have just a yellow cable for the position light that people can just attach to your main beam, like you have on another light bar. I think the E46 it is. Comes like this, so you just have a standard wiring loom and the standard connector, and then you have a separate yellow wire that you can attach to either a daytime running light controller or directly to your positive of the position light. So that's the only thing, because like I said, the 5-pin doesn't really make sense, because then you don't have the you can't really turn off, because you're just switching between two things. You're never on and off. Yeah, that's basically it. But very happy with the lights. I might in the future just spray this black, because I'm not a big fan of chrome, and I know a lot of customers in Switzerland at least are not really a fan of chrome. It's usually everything black, as much black as possible. So I'll probably just sand these down a little bit and paint them black, the surroundings. But other than that, it looks amazing. Thank you.